process. Sun Salutation. The Sun Salutation is the foundation of yoga practice. It consists of 12 poses or movements, breathing, and point of focus. Begin in a prayer pose. Stand straight, feet together, and put your hands close to your chest. Inhale, raise your arms, head up, and look up to the thumbs. Exhale, bend fully forward, hands on the floor, and gaze at the tip of the nose. Inhale, half bend, touch your fingers on the floor, straighten the spine, and look forward. Exhale, hands on the floor, bend knees and jump back, or step back, to a plank position, and gaze at the tip of the nose. Inhale, roll up to the upward facing dog, raise your upper body, and look up. Exhale, lift hips back to the downward facing dog, gaze toward the navel, and hold for 5 breaths. Inhale, jump, or step, forward, feet up between hands, touch fingers on the floor, and gaze between the eyebrows. Exhale, hands on the floor, fold at the waist to gaze at the tip of the nose. Inhale, stand up with a straight spine, arms up, and gaze at thumbs. Exhale, put your hands in a prayer position. Then put your arms to the sides.